Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Shubham Temre. So in the last session, we covered overview of procure to pay cycle. Now in this session, we are going to look at overview of order to cash cycle. So let's start. So first is order to cash cycle, also known as O2C cycles. O2C cycle is nothing but a mirror image of a procure to pay cycle. Depending on the business practices and other reasons, there can be differences in the way that it is implemented or steps involved in your project, but basic remains the same. Next is order to cash cycles refers to the set of business processes for receiving and processing customer sales order for goods and services and their payments. These processes are at the heart of all businesses unless and until they are managed by efficiently and accurately. Next is in O2C cycle, we perform order related activities with the help of Oracle Fusion Order Management application. So let's start with departments in order to cash cycle. Let's say you have a business of selling mobile and you receive an order of ship 1000 mobile to your customer. So first step you will do is check in your system to available on in quantity or quantity or stock available in your system. If you have only 500 quantity, then we create sales order. All the sales related activity we perform in sales department. Now we comes to the next departments where money is received along with the items. You will have also send invoice to your customer. This invoice will be called as accounts receivable invoices in your system, but for the customer they will become accounts payable invoices. Upon the receiving invoices, and the mobile customer will do a quality check and on the mobile and store invoices in the system, and depending on the terms between you and the customer, payment will be done. Okay, so now in Oracle Fusion inventory application, um, we maintain we maintain the stock in our inventory. And in Oracle Fusion order management, here we create a sales order, book sales orders, create peak wave, create peak confirms, create ship confirm as well. Then we transfer to Oracle Fusion accounts receivable departments. Here we generate sales invoice and receipt as well. Okay, so here we have cash department linked with receivable department, and common department is also linked with receivable department. So in the next slide, we see the application in supply chain management order to cash cycles. We have multiple applications or Oracle Fusion inventory application, Oracle Fusion order management applications, Oracle Fusion account receivable applications, Oracle Fusion cash management application, Oracle Fusion general ledger application. So in Oracle Fusion inventory application, here we maintain our inventory related stock. And second one is our order management application. Here we create sales order, book sales order, create peak wave, create peak confirm, create ship confirm as well. Then we transfer to account receivable department. We have here we generate the sales invoice, receipt, all these things. Next is Oracle Fusion cash management. This is for the uh, bank statement or reconciliation purpose. And here is Oracle Fusion general ledger. This is for the financial report generation. Okay, so in the next slide we see the combination of P2P and O2C cycle, procure to pay and order to cash cycle. So now we will see two cycle at a time. First we talk about P2P cycle. It start with inventory applications. Here it writes requisition and get the approval and pass the information to purchasing applications, means PO. And here's the purchasing department responsibility is rising request for quotation like RFQs, and getting quotation, analysis the quotation, choose best quotation, then place the order. Whenever the organization receive the material, then they record the good receipt note, we call GRN, and if required they will perform purchase return. Purchasing department pass the good receipt note information to accounts payable application. Here accounts payable application will create purchase invoice and they will make the payment to supplier. And if the purchase invoice information is related to asset purchase, then accounts payable application pass the information to fixed assets applications. Based on that asset related information, they will create fixed asset and calculate the depreciation. And will share uh, accounts payable department will share payment related information to cash management application. And cash management application also will and cash management application will do bank statement reconciliation. Then they will maintain bank account also. And at the last all related data we share to general ledger applications. Okay. Now, when we talk about order to cash cycle, here it also starts from inventory application. Then whenever we get the order, we record in sales order and we check in with inventory stock is available. Then we book the sales order. And whenever we move material from sub inventory to order management application takes the responsibility for recording the peak release. And whenever the material to customer location ship to customer location, then order management application will perform ship confirmation. And any return in order management application we record in form of sales return. Now in ship confirmation from order management application will pass the information to account receivable applications. Okay. And whenever account receivable application get the ship confirmation details from order management application, they will record the sales invoice. And when they get the payment, then they record in form of receipt against in the sales invoice. Okay. So account receivable application will share receipt related information with cash management application for the purpose of bank statement reconciliation. Here all the information now comes to general ledgers. Okay. Here in the both the P2P and O2C cycle, inventory is the common application. When we deal with P2P cycle, communication start with inventory. When we deal with O2C cycle, here also communication will start with inventory application. Here cash management application is also common in P2P and O2C cycle. All the payment related activities will perform from AP to cash management, and all the receipt related information or data will flow from account receivable application to cash management application. And at the end, general ledger will receive the data from all the application. Here we perform the all the financial reports. Okay. So this is all about the P2P cycle and O2C cycle. And but last but not the least, this inventory, procurement, order management is part of supply chain management. And accounts payable, fixed asset, general ledger, cash management, account receivable is part of financial application. Okay. So this is all about P2P and O2C cycle. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.